Yeah, man, it's that time of year. I hate it. I'm like cleaning, me and cleaning, you know. Yeah, it's Christmas, so it's been 2 years since I've cleaned anything. So yeah, I found this box, my mom's box. Yeah, I don't know if you know what origami is. She used to make these little toys for me. I thought I'd just share it with you because I'm feeling nostalgic. Yeah, this paper toy. Imagine. She used to pacify me at the breakfast table whenever I cried. As a kid, as a 10-year-old kid, I used to get happy with the paper toy. Jack, why cry? Come here. Sit. Come. This she. Lahu. Yeah, I used to get happy with paper toys. Do you remember Mark, that coward? Yeah, he was with me in college as well. We used to have play dates. Like he used to bring his Star Wars toy, and I had the who imagine. I remember this one day so clearly. The play date went so wrong. Hey Mark, how are you? Let's play. Hey Jack, what do you have? See what I have. I have the Obi-Wan Kenobi action toy. I have Lahu. My mom made it for me. What can Lahu do that my toy can't? Look. How dare you? You broke my toy. That is your Chinese garbage. I'm sure it was more expensive than what your dad paid for your mom. Yeah, he told me pretty crazy shit. I remember he was so irritating. He used to isolate me. Even in school, he hated me after that. And that's when I started actually hating my Chinese side. That was the first time I actually got called chick. Yeah, it was pretty crazy from school going home. I actually started hating my mom for that. I don't look like her. I don't want to look like her. Dad, do I have a chink face? Xiao chick. English. Speak in English. What happened, Jack? I think we should eat American food, not Chinese. Yeah, I actually told her that. Can you believe it? And she used to actually really try. She really tried to make amends. But now I realize that it was so mean of me. Jack, come here. Let it be, Mom. Okay, no hugging. I made pasta. I made pasta. I made pizza for you. Don't even try, Mom. You'll never be like the other moms. Yeah, that was like probably the last time I had Chinese food. I'm just thinking of the last day. The last time I met her was in hospital. She was battling a disease, which I never knew about. And I was in college and we just didn't have the best of conversations, and I just feel like I'm regretting it now. Jack, thank you. I know you want to go back to school. I just want to tell you, if I don't make it, just take that box out on Qingming every year, and know I'll be with you always. I don't know anything about Chinese calendar, Mom. Just rest now. Haitsu Mama Aini. That was the last thing she told me in Chinese. And that was the last time I heard Chinese. So yeah, this is the box that's hers. There's notes in here. Wow. I never knew my mom could write. Jack, me loves mother you, mom, and her lousy English. Jack, you loves me, you. Jack, your mother loves you. Finally got it. Oh my god. She finally got English. No, I'm okay, mate. I'll be fine.